This is Optimal Health Daily, episode 1361, How Spending Time in Nature Can Boost Your Healthy Brain Power by the NeuroGym Team of MyNeuroGym.com. And I'm Dr. Neil, your host and narrator. Happy Monday and welcome back to another week of Optimal Health Daily. This is where I read to you from some of the best health and fitness blogs on the web, kind of like an ongoing audiobook, and always with a bit of my commentary at the end. Now don't forget, we have 5 shows where we narrate blogs for you, covering a bunch of different topics. Check them all out by searching for Optimal Living Daily wherever you're hearing this. And with that, let's get right to today's post as we optimize your life. How Spending Time in Nature Can Boost Your Healthy Brain Power by the NeuroGym Team of MyNeuroGym.com. What do negative thoughts, lack of creativity, and a bad memory have in common? They can all be treated with the same thing. It's not a pill or ancient medicine. You don't have to see a doctor or specialist to reap the benefits. So, what's free, accessible to all, and an excellent remedy for a variety of mental and emotional issues? Going for a hike in nature. According to the latest science, technology-free time in the great outdoors can produce some serious improvements in your health. Urban environments did not have this effect, by the way. It seems the more time we spend in urban environments, the more stressed and anxious we are. With so many sights, sounds, smells, and people around, our senses are overwhelmed. Quote, "Climb the mountains and get their good tidings. Nature's peace will flow into you as sunshine flows into trees. The winds will blow their own freshness into you, and the storms their energy." John Muir. Here are 4 ways you can improve your mental and physical well-being by spending time in nature. 1. Turn off the negative chatter inside your mind. One study found that just 90 minutes in nature made a noticeable difference. The participants reported less rumination on negative thoughts, and their brain scans showed less activity in the subgenus prefrontal cortex, an area of the brain that's been linked to mental illness risk. If you've ever found yourself stuck in a pattern of negative thoughts, you can just walk it off. 2. Improve your creative problem-solving skills. Useful as technology is, it does come with downsides. For instance, attention. The ability to switch tasks rapidly cost many the ability to pay attention for long periods of time. This can lead to impaired creativity and problem-solving skills. Researchers were curious about the effect of nature on problem-solving, so they had a group of participants head off on a 4-day camping trip, sans technology. Half of the participants were given a test on day 1 before the trip started. The other half took the test on day 4 of the trip. They all took the same test, which measured the ability to creatively solve problems. The results? The group that took the test on day 4, post-immersion in nature, scored 50% higher than those who took it before the trip. You've got to get outside to think outside the box. 3. Sharpen your memory. A study at the University of Michigan tested students' memories with and without exposure to nature. 2 groups of students took a memory test. One group then went for a walk around an arboretum, and the other group took a walk down city streets. The participants returned and took the same memory test again. The students who walked among the trees did almost 20% better than their first score, whereas the city walkers did not improve consistently. Something unique happened to their brain patterns when amongst the trees. Spending time with nature can have its benefits when it comes to age-related brain changes too. 4. Feel alive and inspired to take action toward your goals and dreams. According to the latest neuroscience research, a natural environment is awe-inspiring for modern human beings. Time is our scarcest commodity, right? Most of us feel like we never have enough time. But when we feel a sense of awe, time seems to expand. We become more generous with our time and feel an increased sense of well-being. So, leave behind the worries of work and the confines of your indoor space and go outside where everything around you is strikingly vast. even time. The mindset shift from time scarcity to time abundance is a great stress reducer and helps develop self-motivation. And 5, reconnect with your mind, body, and spirit. The next time something is bothering you or you don't feel like yourself, try clearing your mind with a walk in nature. When you combine exercise with nature, it's like going to the doctor, minus the bills and pills. By taking a hike in the quiet wilderness, you naturally increase energy and vitality. So if your life seems extra stressful and you're missing out on the self-care you need, go out into nature. Remember, the more time you spend in awe-inspiring environments, the more life satisfaction you'll have. It's a great way to reconnect with your true self. It's true, some issues require serious medical attention. However, sometimes a scary symptom has a simple solution. So before you make any rash decisions, try a quick, healthy mindset shift first. Get outside, walk around, breathe deeply. While it may not sound profound, it's scientifically shown that spending time in nature is all it takes to regain some true inner peace. You just listened to the post titled, How Spending Time in Nature Can Boost Your Healthy Brain Power by the NeuroGym Team of MyNeuroGym.com. You're the hiring expert for your company, and what you really need is help making your short list of quality candidates. You need a hiring partner who helps make your life easier. You need Indeed. Indeed is the job site that makes hiring as easy as 1, 2, 3. Post, screen, and interview all on Indeed. Get your quality shortlist of candidates whose resumes on Indeed match your job description faster. Only pay for the candidates that meet must-have qualifications, and schedule and complete video interviews in your Indeed dashboard. And I can tell you from my own personal experience, whenever my students are looking for a job after they graduate, I always tell them to start their search at Indeed.com. Get started right now with a free $75 sponsored job credit to upgrade your job post at Indeed.com/health. Get a $75 credit at Indeed.com/health. Indeed.com/health. Offer valid through June 30th. Terms and conditions apply. Dr. Neil here for my commentary. My friends like to poke fun at me because I'm so not a nature type of person. Well, actually, it's only partly true. I really do enjoy nature and being outdoors. I'm just very particular about the types of activities we're doing. For example, I absolutely love swimming. Or if we're going skiing or parasailing or paddleboarding at night, yes, this is a real thing. The paddleboard actually has lights underneath it, so you can see the water below you, blah, 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 you get it. Then yes, if we're doing any of those things, absolutely count me in. But if we're going for a leisurely stroll at a park or even at the beach, I'm a lot less interested. I don't mind lounging at the beach with a good book. I just don't get a ton of joy walking at the beach. I'd rather be at the gym in that case. So again, it's not that I don't enjoy nature. I just am really specific about the activities I like to do when in nature. That's all. But here's the deal. Once in a while, I'll let go of my oh-so-stubborn mentality and take that stroll at the park or at the beach. And you know what? I never regret it. I always feel better afterwards. It absolutely clears my head and makes me feel reconnected to everything. But just don't tell my friends. I'll never hear the end of it. All right, that'll do it for the Monday episode. Have a great start to your week, and I'll be back here tomorrow as usual, where your optimal life awaits.